Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion. So we all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, cooperation, help, feedback, nice feedback, your guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some beautiful, smart, trendy collections only for you. So let me display. The saree code is 21A12700 is saree price. Very smart, trendy looks, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with sivori print with badni print. Very nice one, beautiful looks. Silver zari border and this portion is sivori print, badni print. Very beautiful combinations. Beautiful color also, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari stripes with print. Very nice one, sivori with badni print combinations. Very beautiful looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, fine lane by lane. I will suggest this silk material with checks contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3,300 for your smart, trendy, beautiful, exclusive looks. This one also very bright, beautiful one. 21A2 is saree code. 2300 is saree price. Very beautiful, gorgeous looks, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane, beautiful color, maroon shade with wide golden zari border. Very elegant looks. This is premium quality, fine lane by lane with golden zari border, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is border portion, beautiful golden zari white border. This one is border, beautiful one, golden zari white border. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also golden zari stripes pallu. Very bright, beautiful looks, premium quality, fine lane by lane, golden zari wide border. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also golden zari stripes. Very smart, beautiful, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material with self heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2900 for your smart, bright, beautiful, elegant looks. This one also very smart, trendy one. 21A3 sorry, 21A3 is saree code. 2500 is saree price. Very beautiful one, premium quality, fine lane by lane with silver zari and multi-colored checks design. Very smart, trendy looks, premium quality, fine lane by lane, multi-colored checks with highlighting silver zari checks design. Very smart, beautiful looks. This one is border portion, silver zari border, multi-color, beautiful checks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also silver zari stripes pallu with checks design. Very smart, beautiful, elegant looks, best for your office wear, professional looks. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material sequin work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2900 for your smart, trendy, beautiful, elegant looks. Sorry, this one is also very beautiful one. 21A4 is saree code. 2300 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton fabric with beautiful digital print. Very nice one. Same material today I have draped. Very soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly. Very beautiful look, premium quality, handloom cotton fabric with beautiful digital print, silver zari border, red contrast with silver zari border, beautiful printed border portion, beautiful printed one. Very smart, beautiful, elegant looks, printed. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also beautiful printed pallu. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly cotton fabric with digital print. Very beautiful, elegant looks, best for your office wear. I will suggest this cotton fabric contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2700 for your smart, beautiful, elegant daily looks. This one also very bright one. 21A5 is saree code. 3500 is sari price. Very smart, beautiful, gorgeous looks, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen with beautiful Madhubani print. Very nice one. This one is full body part, white silver base, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen, and this one is silver zari weaving border, and this one is border portions, beautiful printed one. This one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color Madhubani printed pallu. Base is tissue linen, silver base, have sign also, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen. This one is contrast color printed border, silver zari weaving border, but this one is running blouse piece. Very smart, beautiful, gorgeous looks. I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price would be 4,000 for your smart, beautiful, bright party looks. Very beautiful one, bright looks. 21A6 is saree code, 3500 is saree price. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen with print. Very beautiful looks, golden white, golden base, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen part, and this one is golden zari fully weaving border and full border portions, beautiful contrast color printed. Very beautiful, elegant looks, based for your party wear also. And this one is pallu part, pallu also fully Madhubani print, contrast color Madhubani print. Very beautiful, elegant, bright looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen weaving border, border portions contrast color printed. Very nice looks. And this one is running blouse piece, smart, trendy, bright, beautiful looks. I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your smart, bright, beautiful, elegant party looks. This one also very beautiful one, bright looks. 21A7 3500 is saree price. Beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom khadi linen with jamdani work, golden zari weaving jamdani work. Very nice one, beautiful, bright looks, golden zari weaving jamdani design. Very beautiful, elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom khadi linen jamdani design, golden zari weaving jamdani design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also fully golden zari weaving jamdani design. A beautiful, bright, elegant looks, based for your party wear also, premium quality, pure handloom khadi linen jamdani. I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3900 for your smart, beautiful, bright party looks. This one also very elegant one. 21A8 is saree code, 2700 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom fine linen by linen weaving border and full body fine weaving buta design, beautiful color combinations. And this one is silver zari with contrast black threaded weaving stripes border, and this one is weaving buta design, premium quality, pure handloom fine linen by linen fine weaving buta work. And this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color stripes pattern pallu, smart, trendy, elegant look, soft, lightweight, comfortable, weaving fine weaving buta work. And this one is border portions, fully weaving border, silver zari with black threaded weaving stripes weaving line. Very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern. Very smart, beautiful, elegant looks, beautiful color combinations also. I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3000 for your smart, beautiful, elegant looks. This one also very nice one, very bright looks. 21A9 is saree code, 2300 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom fine linen by linen with beautiful contrast border. Very nice one. Base is black, this one is black base, premium quality, pure handloom fine linen by linen. One portion is silver zari border, contrast pink, bright, dark magenta pink piping, and this one is border portions, very beautiful border, white border, silver zari highlighting lines, very nice one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color with silver zari stripes pallu, very smart, beautiful, elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom, fine linen by linen with white border, silver zari highlighting lines, black base. This one is contrast color, white border, silver zari highlighting lines, very smart one, premium quality, pure handloom, fine linen by linen, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, smart, trendy, beautiful, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, very 21. I will suggest this silk material checks with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2700 for your smart, beautiful, bright looks. Very beautiful one. 21810 is saree code, 2300 is saree price, very nice one, soft, lightweight, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk with beautiful golden and silver zari stripes border. Let me open, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly, beautiful one. One portion is golden zari border and one portion is golden and silver zari stripes border, very smart looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is border, very beautiful one, golden zari, golden and silver zari contrast stripes border, very nice one, smart, beautiful, elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk. This one is full body part and this one is border design, very nice one, and summer friendly also, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk. I will suggest this silk material checks contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2700 for your smart, trendy, beautiful looks. This saree code is 21A11, 6000 is saree price, very exclusive collection, pure handloom tussar with beautiful work, but pure handloom tussar silk. This one beautiful color combinations also, very beautiful, fine weaving buta design, floral weaving buta design, and this one is border portions, very beautiful weaving work, Manipuri pattern weaving border. This one is beautiful weaving pattern, full border portions, Manipuri weaving border, weaving buta work, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure tussar silk. And this one is contrast color running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, Bengal Dhakai Jamdani weaving work, very nice one, very nice combinations looks, Manipuri weaving border, Dhakai Jamdani pallu and floral weaving buta work, very nice one. Base is pure tussar silk, pure handloom, pure tussar silk, very exclusive collection. I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6400 for your elegant, beautiful, exclusive party looks. This one also very nice one, very elegant looks. Sorry, 21A12 is saree code, 2700 is saree price, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton, and beautiful stitching stripes work. This one is, and this one is border portions, contrast black with ikat pattern border, fine stitching work stripes, very nice one, beautiful, elegant looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also fully fine weaving, dobby weaving pallu, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, stripes stitching work, fully stitching work, ikat pattern border, contrast color ikat pattern border, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton. I will suggest this cotton fabric stripe stitching work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3100 for your smart, elegant, beautiful, exclusive looks. Sorry. This one also very beautiful one, same material, premium quality, pure handloom khadi. 21A13 is saree code, 2700 is saree price, beautiful stitching stripes work, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton, fine stitching, stripes work, border is contrast color border with ikat pattern, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality pure handloom khadi, and full body stitching work, fine stitching work, very beautiful, elegant looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable, very soft, lightweight, summer friendly. Also this one is running blouse piece, stitching work, contrast border ikat, and this one is pallu part, pallu also fully fine dobby weaving pallu, beautiful expensive design, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton. I will suggest this cotton fabric printed with stitching stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3100 for your elegant, beautiful, exclusive looks. Very beautiful color. 21A14 is saree code. 2300 is saree price. Soft silk, pure handloom, soft silk with beautiful stripes pattern border. Very nice one. One portion is golden zari border, one portion is golden zari border, and one portion is golden and silver zari stripes border. Very smart, beautiful looks, beautiful color also. And this one is pallu part, pallu also golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is border, fine, beautiful stripes pattern, golden and silver zari contrast stripes border. Very smart one, premium quality pure handloom, soft silk, based for your office wear, professional looks. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly. And this one is stripes, silver and golden zari stripes. Very smart, elegant, beautiful looks. And this one is running blouse piece, same body set. And I will suggest this silk material, weaving buta work, silver zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2700 for your smart, beautiful, elegant looks. And today I have draped a beautiful pure handloom cotton saree, silver zari border, digital print, soft, lightweight, pure handloom cotton with digital print. 2300 is saree price. This one is pallu part, pallu also beautiful printed one, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly also. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.